Good morning students. See, we have completed exercise 3D. Today we will start one new topic, common multiples. So we will see one example number 15. List 3 common multiples of 8 and 12. See, multiples of 8 are given there. Example number 15. Multiples of 8. So what are the multiples of 8? 8, 8 to the 16, or like this you can write here 8, 8 to the 16, 8 is a 24, 8 4 is a 32, 8 5 is a 40, 8 6 is a 48, like this up to where they are asking you have to write the multiples of 8 and one more multiples of 12. Now find the multiples of 12. 12 is a 12, 12 to the 24, 12 is a 36, 48, 12 5 is a 60. So what are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, 14, 48. Multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. These are the multiples of 8 and 12. Now see example number 16. Find the LCM of 84 and 96 by prime factorization method. LCM of 84 and 96 by prime factorization method. Okay, how to find LCM of 84 and 96 by prime factorization? First of all, find LCM of 84, here 96. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now by 3, 3 7s are 21, again by 7, 1. Here by 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder 1, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 12, 6, 3, 2. Now see, which are the common factors here? You have to write the multiples of 84 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Multiples of 96 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 3 here. 3. Now see, find the common factors here. Which are the common factors? 2, again 2, then 3. These are the right here common factors. 2 into 2 into 3. These are the common factors. Which are the other factors? Which are the other factors means remaining factors. 7, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 are the remaining factors. Now see, you have to multiply these all numbers. Common factors, which are the common factors? 2 into 2 into 3. Which are the other factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now get the multiply here. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 2s are 96, 96 multiply by 7. 672 is the multiple of 84 and 96. Okay, 672. See what I have done here, I will explain you once again. They are asking that find the LCM of 84 and 96 by prime factorization method. How to find it? By 84 and 96, we have to take its LCM by prime factorization method. First of all, you have to take LCM by 2. Here by 2 you got here 42, then 2 21, again by you took by 3, then 7, 7 1s are 7. Here by 2. So This is the multiple you got here. Then write the common factors here. Which are the factors you got here? Then find the common factors. First of all, note down the common factors 2 into 2 into 3. Then which are the other factors, remaining factors rather than common factor, that is 7 into 2 into 2 into 2, that we have written here. Now multiply the whole factors 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, that is you got here 672. Okay. Now see example number 17. Find the LCM of 88 and 64 by common division method. 88 and 64 by common division method. 88 and 64 by commonly you have to take out your LCM. See, put here one comma also. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, comma 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. By 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, remaining 1, 2 6 are 12, 11, 2 8s are 16. Now again you have to take out by 2, but 11 is not getting multiplied by 11 is not getting factorized by 2, so write here as it is 11, but 8 is getting 2 4s are 8. Again take it by 2, 11 as it is right here, 2 2s are 4, 11, 2 1s are 2. Now take by 11, 1 and 1. Okay, now which are the factors you got here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Okay, now find out 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Now 64 multiply by 11, 4 1s are 4, 6, 704. Okay, see exercise 3E. See question number first. List the first 5 multiples of the following numbers. First 5 multiples you have to find. 6. Which are the first 5 multiples of 6? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 20, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. These are the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are the multiples of 6. First 5 multiples of 6. B 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35. These are the multiples of 7. Now see 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. Now see D 10. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. First 5 multiples of 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. E 16. 16 1s are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80. These are the multiples of 16. Now see question number 2. List the multiples of each pair and find the LCM. See now 4 and 20. Write the multiples of 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, multiples of 20. Now see, which is the common number you can see here? Only 20. So its answer is 20. Okay, now see, it is first question now. Second, 16 and 64. What are the multiples of 16? 64, see 64 2s are 128, 192. Now see any common factor you can see here, that is 64. It means its answer is 64. You have to find the common common multiple, means which is the common multiple here, 64. See question number 3. 15 and C 40. 15 and 40 means multiples of 15 are 15 ones are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120. Now see 40, 80, 120, 160. Now see only one common multiple is there, that is 120. 120. Okay. Now see D 8 and 9. Now 9. The 72. Now see which are the common factor you can see here, only 72. So your answer is 72. Find the LCM using prime factorization. Now see 72 and 90. Now see find the LCM of 88 and 64, example number 17, and find the LCM of 24, 27, 30 and 90. Now see example number 17, we have solved it already. 88 and 64. The LCM is the product of all the divisors and the quotient if any common divisor. See, they have taken the LCM here, 88 and 64. See, we will solve question number 3. Like this only we have to solve. Find the LCM using prime factorization, 72 and 90. It is our question. By prime factorization we have to solve, so 72, 90, 2 9s are 80, 3 3s are 9. Now see, we have solved a similar question here, example number 16, not in 17 and 18. We have solved already this type of question. Now see, write the common factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Factors of 90 are 2 into 3 into 5. Now see, the common numbers here 2 into 3 into 3. And here which are the remaining numbers, 2 into 2 into 5, 2 into 2 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60, 63s are 180, 182s are 360. So 360 is our answer. See question number B, 16, 30 and 42. 16, 30 and 42. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1. 15, 3 5s are 15, 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. See the multiples here. 30, 42. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 5, 2 into 3 into 7. Now see which are the common numbers you can see here. This is 2. Now see in this 2 numbers you can see 3 also, but it is 3 is not there, but that doesn't matter here in LCM. If you are finding 3 as a common factor in 2 digits, then it is common here. Now see remaining numbers are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. See now common numbers are, common multiples are 2 into 3. Okay, this 2 and 3. Now remaining numbers are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now you have to get multiply here 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. Now see 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 48 5s are 240, 240 multiply by 7, 0, 600, 1680. Okay, this is our answer. Now see remaining questions that you have to do C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now see question number 4. Find the LCM of the following numbers by common division method. Common division method questions are example number 6, 17 and 18. Just solve it once. After that solve question number 4. 40, 80, 120 and 160. By common division method you have to find out its LCM. So 40, 80, 120 and 160. By 2. See 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is it will come, 2 4s are 8, 0 as it is, 2 6s are 12, 0 as it is, 2 8s are 16, 0 as it is. See don't forget to put these commas, otherwise you will get confused here. Now again by 2, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 4s are 8, 0. Now see by 2 again, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 0, 15 and 20. Now see again you are taking it by 2, but 5 is not coming in the table of 2, so 5 as it is we have to write here. 2 5s are 10, 15 is also not coming, so 15 also as it is, then 10. Now again by 2, 5 as it is, here also 5 as it is, 15 as it is, and here 2 5s are 10. Now divided by 3, 5 as it is, 5 as it is, 5 3s are, sorry 3 5s are 15, so 5 it is as it is. Now take out by 5, 1 1 1. See which are the multiples you got here. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now see now multiply it. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 multiply by 3, 96 multiply by 5, 480. Okay, this is your answer. See rest of the questions of question number 4 are similar as first one, so solve it by yourself. If you have any doubt, ask me, okay? See, try to solve the examples also in your rough copy and complete your work up to exercise 3 and complete these remaining questions also, okay? Thank you.